The Executive Secretary of the Tertiary Education Trust Fund, Architect Sonny Echono, has called on the federal government to strive toward meeting the UNESCO recommendation of allocating 15% to 20% of the national budget to education as against the 7%. Echono made the call while delivering the 13th Convocation lecture of Nile University in Abuja. Speaking on the topic, Redefining the Nigerian Education System for the 21st Century Workforce, the TETFund boss urged government and stakeholders to improve funding for the education sector to adequately equip institutions with modern digital tools, state-of-the-art laboratories, and qualified instructors.
Provide centers in our schools where those who do not own can go and access them. So we call them ICT centers. As we speak, by December, we'll be commissioning 6 of them. We are doing them in stages, and another 9 are in the process coming up. And when they have that on each campus, at least the children of the poor who do not have their own computer can go there and have access to the internet, computer, and be able to use them. But ultimately, every child in a Nigerian school should be able to own a computer and be able to use it throughout the time of his school at no cost to him.
He also advocated a comprehensive overhaul of the Nigerian education curriculum at all levels to meet global labor market demands, warning that the current system remains grossly misaligned with contemporary requirements.
Those are the type of soft skills that today's global employers are looking for. They are not looking for people who can memorize the whole textbook and recite it. And that is why our education system must adapt our curriculum. Also, the practical mode of teaching. Today, Google is more knowledgeable than any lecturer. So all we need is be able to teach them to facilitate a process of discovery and how they can interpret those zillion of data and information that they have, and how they can make the right choices, the right judgment and application. Given those opportunities, creating those environments is what curricula should be able to achieve.
Earlier, on his welcome address, the Vice-Chancellor of Nile University, Professor Dili Dogo, cautioned the 40% to 50% of executive jobs risks becoming obsolete due to rapid technological advancement.
We have to move with time. We have to be creative thinkers. We have to be innovative. And we have to make sure that graduates of university must contribute deliberately to economic and national development. It is in this vein that we have chosen somebody with huge knowledge and understanding of education and its expectations.
The meeting further emphasized the urgent need to deepen commitment and funding for STEM education to enhance the competitiveness of Nigerian graduates in the global workforce. CNN News.